Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Ram 2500 AC. First, gather your essential tools and safety gear. You'll need safety glasses, gloves, and an AC manifold gauge set. Make sure to get the correct R134A refrigerant, which usually comes with a charging hose. Always ensure your truck's engine is off and cool before you begin any work. This preparation ensures a safe and effective recharge process. Next, locate the low-pressure AC service port under your Ram 2500 hood. This port is typically found on the larger diameter aluminum AC line, often on the passenger side of the engine bay. It might have a cap labeled L or simply be the only port your charging hose fits. Once located, carefully unscrew and remove the cap, keeping it safe for later. With the engine running and your AC set to maximum cool and the fan on its highest setting, attach the charging hose to the low side port. Push it on until it locks securely. Now, check the pressure gauge. If it's low, begin adding refrigerant by squeezing the trigger. Hold the can upright and rotate it between the 12 and 3 o'clock positions every 10 seconds. Release the trigger periodically to check the pressure, avoiding overcharging. Once the pressure gauge reads within the correct zone for your outside temperature, the system is fully charged. Carefully remove the charging hose from the low side port and securely replace the service cap. Enjoy your newly recharged, cold AC. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. If your AC still isn't cold, you might have a leak, and professional service may be needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.